Dear all, in this video, I will show different ways to get age from date of birth in Excel. You will learn a handful of formulas to calculate age as a number of complete years, get exact age in years, months, and days at today's date or a particular date. There is no special function to calculate age in Excel, however there exist a few different ways to convert date of birth to age. We can calculate age from date of birth in Excel with datediff function. This function can return the difference between two dates in various time units such as years, months, and days, depending on the value you supply in the unit argument. Let's see how to calculate age in years. In this example, we have date of birth in cell B2, which is September 17, 1992. We also have current date in cell C2, which is August 5, 2019. In cell D3, write equals datediff. Bracket open, select date of birth which is in cell B3. Comma. Then select current date, which is in cell C3. Comma. Then, put Y in double quotes and close the brackets to get the date of birth in number of years. As you can see here, if you born on September 17, 1992, then you have completed 26 years. How to calculate age in months? Write the formula, equals datediff, bracket open, select date of birth. Comma. Then select current date. Comma. Then, put M in double quotes and close the brackets to get the date of birth in number of months. With this example, you have completed 322 months. How to calculate age in days? In cell F3, write the formula, equals datediff, bracket open, select date of birth. Comma. Then select current date, comma. Put D in double quotes and close the brackets to get the date of birth in number of days. How to get age from birthday in exact years, months, and days? As you have just seen, calculating age as the number of full years that the person has lived is easy, but it is not always sufficient. If you want to know the exact age, that is, how many years, months, and days there are between someone's birth date and the current date, write three different datediff functions inside concatenate function. Let's look at an example. In cell D6, write concatenate. Bracket open. Put equals datediff, bracket open, select date of birth. Comma. Then select current date, comma. Then, put Y in double quotes and close the brackets. Add comma. Since we want age in years first, write years in double quotes. Comma. Write the datediff function again. Select date of birth and current date. Write YM in units. Now, with this function, we will get the result in months. So add months in double quotes after comma. Write the datediff function again to get the result in number of days. Select date of birth and current date. Put MD in units. Comma. Write days in double quotes. Close the brackets. Press enter to see the age in exact year, months, and days. In this example, if your date of birth is September 17, 1992, you have completed 26 years, 10 months, and 25 days till today. Did you know? You can also get exciting parameters like number of Sundays between your date of birth and current date. Number of days you slept between date of birth and today's date. Next birthday with number of remaining days and on which day your birthday is coming. You just have to download this age calculator from the below link which is having variety of parameters. Do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.